Hey, this is Paul from Wondershare MobileTrans, and today we've got a really good and exciting video for you because if you don't already know, Google have just released the brand new Google Pixel 8 and the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and we know that these are some of the best Android phones around if you want that stock Android experience, and of course, Pixel are known for doing the best photos on any smartphone in the world. So today, what we have is we're going to show you how you can transfer your data from one device over to a Google Pixel 8 Pro if that is something that you've just picked up for the very first time. But whilst you're here, if you've never seen a video from Wondershare MobileTrans before, then why not give the video a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications as well so you don't miss out on any of the videos that we have coming up on the channel. But for now, let's show you how you can transfer your data over to the brand new Pixel 8 Pro. It's that time of year where Google released their annual phone, and this year they have released the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and this is probably one of the best Android phones on the market because they do have stock Android, that really cool, nice, smooth experience with no other skins on top of it, and that makes the Google Pixel phone some of the best and most popular phones around. So if you picked up this brand new Google Pixel 8 Pro, you might want to know how you can transfer any of your data from maybe an iPhone, your old Google Pixel, or maybe even a Samsung phone onto this device. And in today's video, that is exactly what we are going to show you, because one of the scariest things when you get a new phone is having to transfer all of that data over, because it can seem like it takes forever. It can be frustrating, and a lot of the time you can lose a lot of your data in that transfer process. And you might be sat there thinking, well, I don't need a Google Pixel 8 Pro or a Pixel at all. Why would anyone even go to buy this phone? Well, as we know, Google has some of the best cameras in the world on its smartphones, and it rivals that of the iPhone. And this year is no different because it has had some really good upgrades in the camera department. We've got a 50 megapixel main camera lens. You then have a 48 megapixel telephoto lens and a 48 megapixel wide lens. And this is why Google Pixel phones are so exciting. And not just that, now Google have introduced all of their magic eraser options, and there will fix it in post options with their photos. So if you end up taking a photo that's just not quite right, then you can go into the photo gallery and you can edit those photos and make them to exactly how you want. You can change the sky, you can change people's faces. In fact, you can even change where people are stood in those photos. So you now might be sat there thinking, well, how do I move that data from one device to another? And we're going to use a tool called Wondershare MobileTrans. If you haven't heard about Wondershare MobileTrans, it's your go-to solution for a hassle-free data transfer between phones. Whether you're switching devices or you just want to keep your data synchronized, MobileTrans has got you covered. It can move all of your data, including photos, videos, contacts, apps, and documents, and you can use this tool to transfer data from Android to Android, iPhone to Android, or Android to iPhone, so it can get you covered with every single mobile device out there. It's quick, it's simple, and it's really easy to use. So let me show you the really simple, easy steps to get this done, and you don't need any technical knowledge or know-how at all. Just follow the next steps and you'll have your data transferred in no time at all. Step one is simple. Head over to the Wondershare website and download the MobileTrans app. Installation is a breeze, and you'll find versions for both Windows and Mac, depending on the device that you own. Once you've got MobileTrans installed, make sure you grab your old phone and connect it to your computer, and then just do the same with that new shiny Google Pixel 8 Pro. MobileTrans now gives you the power to choose what you want to transfer. So select from contacts, messages, photos, videos, and more from the list. And it's all about making this process tailored to your needs. So just select the data that you want to transfer over. If there's stuff you don't want, then just don't select it. Now, this is where the magic happens. All you have to do is go ahead and hit that start button, and MobileTrans will work its weird wizardry in the background, and it will move your data from your old device over to that brand new Google Pixel 8 Pro. And this might take a bit of time depending how much data you have to transfer, but just sit there, let it do its thing, make sure those cables stay connected, and within no time at all, it will have transferred all of the data from that old device over to the new Pixel 8 Pro. And just like that, it is as simple and easy as that, because now all of the data that you wanted to move from your old Android or iPhone device over to the brand new Pixel 8 Pro has been done in a really nice, easy way, and it was hassle-free, wasn't it? I told you it was. All you had to do was click a few buttons and all of that data was successfully transferred to the new phone. And that's it for today's video. It was a nice, simple, easy one, and we just wanted to make sure you can get set up with your Google Pixel 8 Pro nice and easily and transfer all of that data over. And remember, if you haven't downloaded MobileTrans yet, just head into the description where you can find a link that will make the download process even easier. If you enjoyed the video, then why not give it a like? Let us know your thoughts as well on the brand new Google Pixel 8 Pro. What color have you picked up, or are you sticking with your Google Pixel 7 Pro? Let us know in those comments. Subscribe to the channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell as well, just so you don't miss out on any of the videos that we have coming up in the next couple of weeks. And if you subscribe to the channel, then we will see you in our next video.